What's going on, everyone? Zeus the DJ back with another video, and I was actually hit up by this company called GPEL, and they asked me to do a review on their tempered glass screen protector for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it's a real tempered glass screen protector with 9H hardness. It's supposed to be fingerprint resistant as well as water repellent. Man, I cannot get this out of here. There we go. Let's go ahead and open this up. We have directions, installation guide, check the contents. It says happy ? We're just happy that you're happy. So you have your installation guide here on a business card as well. Touch sensitivity setting guide on the other side. You have your screen protector accessories. I'm thinking this is the cleaning stuff. Oh, nice. It actually came with a frame, so this way you can line it up. Right here we have the screen protector itself. It's got like a darkness hue to it, so that's for that privacy stuff. Let's go ahead and open this up and we can get the phone cleaned. Dust stickers, microfiber cleaning cloth, and your alcohol prep pad. I hate when you get a microfiber cleaning cloth but then there's like a bunch of dust on it. I don't know if you can see all that dust. Then wipe this down a little bit. Good practice to wash your hands before doing these installs, so this way your fingers aren't all greasy. You know, you don't want any fingerprints on there. Alright, we'll go ahead and put this on. Now let me look at the instruction guide and see what side goes down. I like how their guide shows an iPhone. So that's not very helpful. Now I'm gonna assume that the on arrow right here where it says on with the arrow pointing down, I'm gonna assume that that's the bottom. Alright, so now we release the back part of the screen protector. So here is the phone. Turn it sideways. You can still kind of see a little bit of what's going on, but makes it a lot harder to see, definitely. So right now, just trying to skip the ads and stuff like that, I'm not able to do so or press pause. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow the touch sensitivity guide here on this little business card that they give you. Yeah, there you go. So now I can press pause and play here on YouTube, and everything seems to be working fine. Alright, so from where I'm sitting, you can definitely see a little bit of stuff on there, but you can't really see what exactly is going on here. Looking at some pictures or whatever, but as soon as you actually look over the shoulder, you can see it a lot better. From here, it's more of a private mode. So one thing that I've noticed, if you are watching a video in landscape mode, the privacy glass doesn't really help out. It doesn't really matter unless you're all the way this way, but then at this point, that's the kind of angle that I'm looking at. But me just sitting here next to him, I'm able to see, this is my eye view, and I'm able to see what it is that he's watching. So from that aspect, no. If I happen to be sitting a little bit further away from him and I'm looking at that angle, then yeah, definitely cannot really make out what it is that he's watching. So there you have it, the GPEL tempered glass screen protector, privacy tempered glass screen protector. If you guys are interested in this product, go ahead and check the link in the description below. If you guys found this video helpful or useful in any way, as always, make sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and also make sure to subscribe down below. Got some other videos coming through very soon, and thanks for watching. Till next time.